A, B, C, come sing with me. Dance around from A to Z. Clap your hands and tap your toes, learning letters as it goes. Welcome to Alphabet Town. In Alphabet Town the fun begins, with letter houses, grins and spins. A is apple, juicy red. B is a bed where teddy bears head. Look, the A house smells so sweet, and B has pillows on every seat. A, B, C, come sing with me. Meeting the animal letter C is cat with a polka dot bow. D is dog who loves to throw. E is elephant, big and gray. F is a fox who likes to play. The elephant just sprayed my shoe. That's E for eek and elephant too. A, B, C, come sing with me. A colorful paraded G is giraffe with glasses tall. H is a hat on a purple ball. I is ice cream dancing on toes. J is jelly that wiggles and glows. I see sprinkles on that icon. Let's ride the J train made of foam. A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters in the sky. K is kite up in the air. L is a ladder going there. M is moon with a sleepy on. N is a nest with eggs at dawn. Let's fly to M and take a nap. Don't forget N with the birdies map. A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's finish the race. O is an octopus juggling pies. P is a penguin who loves to slide. Q is a queen with quacking shoes. R is a rocket that zooms with woos. All kids together, we're almost done. Let's finish strong with S to Z in one big song. A, B, C, you sang with me. We danced around from A to Z. Letters are friends from head to toe. Let's learn and laugh wherever we go. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning is so fun with me. Letters fly and numbers run. Let's all learn and have some fun. S is a snake with shiny shoes. T is a tiger who sings the blues. U is an umbrella shaped like cake. V is a van on a jelly lake. The tiger's voice is so cool, and V's van is a jelly pool. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning is so fun with me. Letters fly and numbers run. Let's all learn and have some fun. W to Z, finish the line. W is a whale who blows out stars. X is for xylophones and candy jars. Y is a yak with a crown so wide.
Zebras racing, hold on tight.
Z is zooming out of sight. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning is so fun with me. Letters fly and numbers run. Let's all learn and have some fun. Now let's count, that's shining bright. 2 is a duck that loves to write. 3 is a tree with lollipop fruit. 4 is a door where numbers scoot. 5 is a hive with bees that hum. They buzz and make math fun. Let's knock on 4 is 6 inside. Nope, just honey bees who hide. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Learning is so fun with me. Letters fly and numbers run. Let's all learn and have some fun. 1, 2, 3.